Hello, I'm John Classen at North Carolina State University. My co-authors, the entire INFEWS-ER team, and I want to thank you for the opportunity to describe our approach to fostering team science and transdisciplinary work in graduate education. One of the greatest challenges facing modern society is how to sustainably and fairly provide the essentials of life to all. Three of those essential elements are food, energy, and water, and these are intertwined in a variety of ways. Each can be analyzed as its own system, but they also interact as components of a larger system, the Food, Energy, and Water System, FEWS, FEWS. This system responds to various inputs and feedback in complex and unexpected ways that are seen across environmental, social, and economic sectors. The INFEWS-ER is an NSF-funded virtual resource center to support research teams that are working on FEWS-related challenges, specifically with developing transdisciplinary teams. We do that with some online training sessions we call toolbox modules on some of the concepts listed here that are the basis of transdisciplinary teamwork. How to work and help high-performing teams, systems thinking, data modeling and analytics, personal knowledge networks, understanding stakeholders and communicating science. The INFEWS-ER then recruits students from around the country and from various disciplines to work as a team on real-world complex challenges, the cohort challenges. These challenges present very real problems that cannot be solved with the typical tools in a single discipline. Some of the challenges that we have sponsored so far are shown here. Students select these challenges based on their interest. We do not restrict or design the disciplines of these teams. Typically, all teams have included students from different universities in different locations, so all interactions are virtual and electronic even before this time of isolation. Yet they have used the lessons in the modules to become effective transdisciplinary teams to address these challenges. This is a screenshot of one of this year's cohorts in a Zoom session. These students must see great value in these challenges because they've stuck with their teams through approximately 6 months of work, about the equivalent of a 3-hour class. They work through leadership issues, shared workloads, attendance and commitment challenges, and the differences between groups and teams. They complete these projects without an extra stipend and in addition to their graduate work at their home institution. The only enticement has been a trip to Chicago for an in-person symposium in March. Of course, that was postponed this year because of travel restrictions, but was successful in the past. Although the challenges were completed in March, all 3 of the teams this year are still working to improve their project into a publishable manuscript. The challenge we now face is how to document the work and the value of these experiences so potential employers and graduate advisors can see what these students have accomplished. We're working to create certificates or badges as a digital trail of their experience. But a larger question is how to incorporate such transdisciplinary work more broadly in graduate education programs that are disciplinary in nature. Can we do that within a discipline or a department? Can we even do that in the same institution? This seems to be a necessary step to prepare our next generation workforce to meet the challenges of our world. Another presentation shown here has details on the core competencies embraced by the INFEWS-ER. Thank you for your time today. Please contact me or any of the team members on this slide if you have questions or want to learn more. We're always looking for collaborators who would like to develop a toolbox module or have an idea for a cohort challenge. We will soon be recruiting students to participate in the next set of challenges that'll start in October. So please share with students who might be interested. Thank you.